Hey, how's it going? Hopefully you're doing great, guys. Today we're gonna go over how to draw an avatar, basically the Navi, right, from Avatar yelling. It's gonna be the main character. I forget his name right now, but I used to love this movie, and they're gonna have a sequel really soon. So the idea is that we got to start drawing these. They're gonna be everywhere. Like when this movie comes out, they're gonna be all over the place because they're gonna have like 3 other movies. Uh, this is for beginners, and it's gonna do it step by step. Hopefully you can do it very easily as well. And that's it. So we're going to jump into this lesson pretty much right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Avatar. It's gonna be like a face shot. All right, I already told you in the intro, but let's jump in, okay? Let's do it. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna start with the nose. So I'm gonna pull a line just down for the edge of the nose, and then pulling down the center, back, and then right here we're gonna draw the nostril, and then pull up over here. Curve just a bit down, go over here, pull up over here. So essentially, right, when you look at it, it's like a tiger nose or a cat nose, right? Gonna go over here, line up, line over here, kind of the edge of that nose, it's furrowing. Go over here on this side, curve down, curve down right here. It's kind of making like a angry face. Down here. Okay, down there. And I'm gonna go line back for the eye, top of the eye. I'm gonna curve down. Curve down here, you have the eye there. All right. Down over here on this side. Out for that eye. Pull down here. Curve around here for the bottom of that far side eye. All right. Next, put the bottom half of the circle for the kind of eye, the eye. Fill that over here. Fill that over here. So from here, I'm gonna have the anger lines. By the way, don't forget to hit the like if you like Avatar. Curve. It takes like less than a second to do it. I'm gonna curve here. I'm gonna pull up. Curve up over here. Pull up back. And I'm gonna throw a thin line through the middle here. All right. All right. And then line over here, line over here. We're not gonna put the painted design on this face yet, but we will. Or the kind of skin texture. Line over here for the side of the cheek. Down. Gonna go over here from the furrowing of the nose here. I'm gonna pull a line out, down for the side of the cheek there, because he's yelling. Line over here. Now I'm gonna do is gonna pull a line across. I'm gonna pull down over here the side of the mouth. Down over here. All right. Gonna find the top row of teeth right here. Down, canine. Line across, down over here the other canine, up. Line down. Over here the bottom row of teeth, cross. Other side of the teeth here, over here. And curve around here. That's the back side of the teeth, okay? Line, 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 line. Curve over here for the tongue and the mouth there. And I'm gonna pull this all the way down. See that? All the way down. Curve along the bottom, up. and find the other cheekbone over here. Pull a line down over here. They're pretty elongated characters, that's why I kind of drew it like that. Up over here. Curve, let's go to the forehead. And now we're gonna put a straight line through the forehead, kinda, but on that straight line, we're gonna draw a hairline right there. Right on, here the side. You got that hair. Pulling some hair here. Got the ear sticking out, it's at this pointed ear. Like so. And we're gonna throw this, he's got this bizarre little ponytail thing. I forgot what that was. I haven't seen the movie in a while. Line over here as well. It's like ponytail thing that he has. Line over here. Let's go over here to the top. Up. Curve, curve, curve. Out. Down. Down over here. Line over here. He's got long hair. It's kind of like sticking out. He had it like in a ponytail. So, I mean, for the most part, it's like a strand of hair coming out over here. Let's go into his neck. Line over here. Line over here. And then we're gonna have a circle here because he has this like necklace thing on around his neck. A line over here. We're gonna pull lines across the necklace just to kind of show that it's there. Out over here, down. Then we have like some hair coming out over here as well from the back. He's got that straggling hair going on. And we can go in here and draw the teeth. Maybe even like the top of the teeth, you know, the gums. And lastly, we can kind of fill in this part of the mouth. Right here, here. All right. And as far as their designs, they have these designs on their head, and it's you can put it there with color, or you can I forgot the bottom of the lip here. You can put it there with color, or if you want, you can put it there with thin marker or thin pencil if you like. It's kind of up to you. I forgot the bags under the eyes as well, forgive me. So line over here, line over here. But yeah, it's kind of up to you if you want to do that. I'm gonna leave it as is. Well, yeah, let me leave it as is because he's got this kind of stuff on his face. I guess you could throw it really thin right here with line. See how thin I'm doing that? Really thin. If you're doing it with marker, really thin. It's kind of like this again, this like war paint thing. But it has to be the thinnest line you can think of, something like that, just barely there. Because if you do it thick, it's gonna really stand out in a negative way. Let's draw a line over here for the cheekbone, and then you can also draw like thin lines over here for the eye. And that's it. Let me know if you're excited about Avatar, the new Avatar sequels. I'm pretty excited, to be honest. I didn't think I would, but I'm pretty excited. So let me know if you are. There's some lines here for the hair. And yeah, let me know if you want to see more Avatar drawings. I will totally do that. Thank you so much. I will see you later on. I'll give him a little Adam's apple here. Okay, talk to you later, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and share the video. When you share it, it brings this huge boost of coolness back to the channel. Talk to you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.